Alright. Hello guys. Sorry I've been away for the last couple of days. I have been sick as a dog. And on top of that, I thought I was dying. I thought I was like I was having like a heart attack or something. Like throughout the day I'd sleep all day and I'd wake up and I'd be still extremely exhausted. And I only just realized this yesterday that it was probably the triple shot coffees that I've been drinking. Like they're not really coffees, they're just like the ice break stuff. But I've been drinking triple shot coffees, ice breaks for like the last 3 days straight. And I think that's a little bit too much for my body because I was just tired all day. So we're better now. I've still got this somewhat of a cough and it's just annoying. So today we've got some guys coming over, Marcus and Brent coming over, and they are going to be working on their car. Also, I'm going to throw them on a goat cart, see how they like it. Maybe we can do some stupid stuff, but mostly just their car. And to anyone else that has any type of projects or something where they just need an extra hand on or just to get stuff over the line, let me know. Like this is just reaching out to anyone in the car community. If it's anything that I can do, and if you would like me to help, then I'm happy to help. There is no charge, there is no cost. It's just basically free labor, essentially. So if you guys need me, then let me know. Otherwise, then just enjoy me tinkering around on random stuff. Also, I have a bumper that I have to paint as well, but I'm waiting for the color to come in, which is one of my friends is going to drop off. But same scenario. I'm happy to paint. I'm happy to assist, but like I said, just pay for the color and I'll sort out the rest. Or if you guys want a 101 of how to quickly paint or paint in your own backyard, then let me know. We've done some pretty crazy things with a tire pump, with a tire pump. So I think I'll do it probably maybe I'll see, but I just want to make it known that these things are possible. That's all. Apparently this will be Brent's first time driving a go-kart, so wish me luck. We'll get a feel for it. On, off. Okay? On, off. So on, and then put your foot on put this one on your brake. Make sure you can reach your brake.
Okay.
Make sure you can feel it, and then just touch it.
Touch what?
Touch the accelerator.
My feet is too short for this.
I didn't know you were shorter than it.
Oh, hold on. Is the wheels backward? No.
Just don't look at it. Just deal with
Wow! Oh shit, this is fucking scary. Excuse the language, my first time riding. Oh, go kart! Ah! Wait, that is so cool. Holy shit. Oh my god! That's pretty fun. Going back. Oh, it has no turning radius. Okay, hold on, let's get out of here. Turn around. All right. Not gonna lie, the pedals are pretty far away. That is fun. Oh! That was fun, guys. Oh! That is really fun. I want one. I would like one.
You buy it and then he'll build it for you.
Marcus is done.
Oh, you can.
Belly.
What do you mean? You did pretty nicely. Lucky it was a struggle to, what's it called?
Is that on?
No, it's not.
Aye.
We're back on the frappes thanks to these beautiful gentlemen. So
This is the bike.
sponsorship. I've taken off the damaged lip and I was gonna run my ITR lip, but it actually looks disgusting. And my bumper's cracking and everything, so I think the only thing we can do is repaint it. So alright, let's repaint this guy and then we'll fix up all this crap body work and stuff like that and clean it up, make it look a little bit nicer. And the only reason why I didn't want to do that in the first place, because I'm eventually going to get the whole car painted and it's going to waste my time and stuff like that, but oh well, let's just do something. Yeah, that one. Change of plans. They want to go for a drive in the DC2, so I'm going to take them out for just a quick spin and we'll come back and hopefully get something done, because we've accomplished nothing today. I think you guys are ready, right? You guys ready?
Feels really empty.
Who's sat in this car? So tall.
Get a turbo.
See the other guy looking across there like,
Yeah,
damn.
they're like, damn.
Damn.
So we have reached 440 kilometers before the petrol lights come on. So realistically, we could probably crack 460, 470. But another thing is, if we never did any of those stupid stuff that we've been doing, I think it would have hit 500 without the light. So pretty good. It's official that Marcus is going to attempt to break our track record. It's my first track record, so it'll be very interesting to see how he does. He does have a couple of disadvantages, being size being a factor and not knowing the track, but let's not use any excuses for him, and let's see what he can do. This is the view that you guys are going to see. There's so many mosquitoes out tonight. It's probably one of the worst times to come out during this twilight hour where there's still light. But basically, I've told them to keep their mouth shut and be safe and make sure they back off if there's anything that seems a little bit strange, and just give it another crack, because we want everyone to stay safe here. So like I said, this is the angle. Maybe I should tilt it a little bit further down. Maybe. Alright, sent them through to do some recon to see how the track looks. Weather-wise, it's probably very similar to when I did the first run, but they're lucky because they have a lot more lighting right now. So if you can see, This is just a natural lighting. And another thing was, with the cart, I didn't know how hard I was driving it. Look at that. It's on both sides. Like, I don't remember coming off. Or maybe this is when I avoided the rabbit or something like that. But yeah, so the guys will be filming their own run. And we're just going point to point. So I'm not going to be holding a stopwatch or anything like that. I'll find out their time during the editing phase, basically, and we'll see how we go with that. But it should be pretty good. And that guy is just flying through, so like I said, it seems to be a very, very well-known track. So, am I worried that Marcus is gonna beat my time? A little bit. I'm a little bit. Just because there were so many disadvantages for me. It was the first run, literally my first run from point to point, and he's got better daylight. So, but regardless, I think that's what's going to make it fun. And then what we'll do is we'll schedule a leaderboard based on runs, how many frequencies, time, and stuff like that, because I think that matters, right? So the lower the number of frequencies that you've ran, the more your time counts. But if you've done 140 laps up and down and you get a fast time, that, you know, so I think that's got to matter as well. Frequency, and see who hits the ground running. So I'm hoping that he does beat the time, and then that way it could be a start of something until someone shuts us down or something. Alrighty guys. Yeah, he's catching up.
Oh yeah.
Oh. I may have crashed a little, but all good. Woo. Sorry, I forgot to record.
I nearly crashed. The second break.
Oh, it is recording.
No, I recorded it.
Oh, you press.
Alright guys, it's time for me to beat Mr. Kwang's time.
This one seems more stable.
Yeah, it's the longest thing. After I said 20, because the turn was 20.
Oh. the buddies are scary, yeah?
Yeah. But yeah, and then you see me trying to pull it out.
Oh, this is where you caught us.
Yeah.
They know how I feel.
The only thing is, there's a lake down there that I was like,
Oh, yeah, there's water
God
there.
damn.
There's water there. There's water under.
I was pretty scared if I was going to slip straight. I was
Oh,
beating
yeah.
Uncle Kong's time, and then I spun it out.
You were anywhere near
Yeah.
my time.
Yes, I was. Huh? Yo, guys, unfortunately, I did not beat Uncle Kong's time, but it was worthwhile spinning it out. It's alright. There's always a quiet drive back.
So, successful run today. I'll post up the results in a bit. But yeah, brakes are cooked. So brakes are completely cooked apparently. So the tires don't even lock up anymore. So you guys can thank Marcus there. Alright. So, how did you feel?
That was really fun, but really scary. Not gonna lie. Really spun out at one point, and then I may have hit the wall at the very end, but you won't see it.
Do you reckon you bet the PB?
Honestly, no. I reckon Marcus did, maybe. Maybe on the second trial. Maybe on the second try, I reckon he did.
Alright, so how do you feel? How do you feel about your drives today?
First one, Brent didn't warm up the tyres enough, so I spun out. You know, like,
Warm up the tires.
it's his fault right there.
I nearly spun out myself.
But yeah, I reckon I beat the time.
Alright.
You know, hopefully, if I don't beat it, I'll come back next year.
Oh, that's it. Better than before.
I'll come back skinnier. Don't worry.
Perfect. That's what we want to hear.
Weight reduction.
All right, keep it up. Keep it up.
Oh, we got like 30 kilos on us.
Alright, guys. Apparently, they want me to go round 2, so let's get it. Here's where I stacked it last time. Not going to do that again.
Quicker than last time.
Yeah, he's hammering it.
I smell the brakes.
Yeah, brakes are cooked.
Oh wow.
Don't worry about the body of water that's sitting right next to us. Not a care in the world.